Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I very welcome you students to this our standard 5th online class for standard 5th from virtual VTC. And in this session students, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction. So in last session we already discussed about the place value up to 7 digit. So maybe you understand all the concepts of values. And now in this session we are going to learn about addition and subtraction. So we will start from addition here. So on your screen there is a question of 40,722 addition with 13,819. So we are supposed to do add here 2 into 9. So 2 plus 9 will be 11 and 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So the answer will be 4. So thereafter 7 plus 8 15 and 1 will be carry here. So 1 plus 4 4, then 4 plus 1 5. So answer will be 54,541. Okay, thereafter we'll move for the next question, and on your screen you will see here 56,427 is there, and we are supposed to add here 10,648. So 7 plus 8 15, 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. Thereafter 10 plus 4 plus 6. So 10 will be the addition of 4 and 6. So we are supposed to write here 0 and 1 will be carry. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 0 7, and 5 plus 1 6. So the answer will be 67,075. Okay, so this is the second one question, and the third one question is we are supposed to do addition of 64,027 and 28,409. So 7 plus 9 16, 1 will be carry here. So 1 plus 2 3 and 4 will be 4 here, and 4 plus 8 12. So we are supposed to write here 2, 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 6 7 and 2, 7 plus 2 9. Okay, so the answer will be 9 here. So 92,436 will be the answer for this question. So we'll move for the next question here, question number 4. So 33,216 addition with 28,540. So 6 5 7, 3 plus 8 11, 1 will be carry over. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So like this students, we will do the addition, and in all this exercise and all these questions from exercise number 7, we are doing directly to this exercise because we know that the addition work you know very well. So just try to write or try to take the screenshot of this question, the addition of these all questions. Afterwards you will do your own practices. Okay, So now we'll move for the next question here. So here we are supposed to do addition of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay, so I already told you about the place value, as we discussed in our earlier period. In that period we already discussed about the place value. Okay, so in this session we are going to do something different and something more from that. So here's a question for you. The question number 1, we are supposed to do addition of these questions. So the question number 1 is here, and you will see here that we are supposed to do addition of on your screen is there 42,311 and addition with 65,36,624. So we are supposed to do addition of these questions here. So you will see here on your screen 42,311 and thereafter 65,36,624. So we'll start here the addition. 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, and 5 will be as it is, 6 will be as it is. So the answer will be 65,78,935. Okay, so like this we can do the additions. And now we'll move for the next question here, and on your screen there is addition of 12,42,746 addition with 4,83,748. So we'll do the addition here. So on your screen 6 plus 8, 14, 1 will be carry. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, thereafter 7 plus 7, 14, 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Thereafter 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 will be here and 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 1 will be as it is. So 17,26,494 will be the answer for this third question. Okay, now we'll move for the next question, question number 5. So we are supposed to do addition of 3 numbers here. So numbers are 2,654, 71,209, and then 5,03,789. Okay, we'll move for the addition here. So we are supposed to write each number in each row like this, and thereafter we are supposed to do the addition. So 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 9, 22. So we are supposed to write here 2, and 2 will be carry over. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15. So we are supposed to write here 5, and 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 plus 7, 16. So 16 will take 1 carry over, and 6 we're supposed to write here like this. So 2 plus 1 plus 3. So the answer will be 7, and 7, and then 5. So 5,77,652 will be the answer here. So we can do like this very easily. So these questions, और इसके बाद हम कुछ इबारती सवालात देखते हैं. ओके, एडिशन के जमा के ताल्लुक से कुछ हम यहाँ पर इबारती सवालात की एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं, ठीक है। जो अभी आपने देखा है वो आप आसानी से कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो वी आर सपोज टू टेक द एग्जाम्पल question number 1 from this exercise. So here is a question. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. So how many votes pulled together? So we are supposed to write here vote cast by woman first, and then vote cast by man in second row, and we are supposed to do the addition here. So very simple it is. Start from your right hand. 8 plus 8 16. So we'll write here 6. 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8. 6 as it is. 7 plus 9 16. 16. 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. Okay, thereafter 3 plus 4 7 and 1 plus 1 2. So like this we can do the addition, and the result of the total votes polled are here. 27,76,686 votes were polled here. So like this we can do the exercises. Okay, now we are supposed to do the another question from this same exercise, and in this exercise we are supposed to do, the question is here, what is the sum of the largest and smallest 6-digit numbers. यहाँ पर हमें बताना है कि 6 हिंदसी अदद के बारे में हमें यहाँ पर बताना है कि सबसे छोटा 6 हिंदसी अदद और उनकी जमा जो है तो क्या होती है वो हमें बताना है ना, ठीक है। तो जैसे स्क्रीन पर आप देख रहे हैं, द लार्जेस्ट 6-digit नंबर इज 9,99,999. ओके, द स्मॉलेस्ट 6-digit नंबर इज 1 lakh. Okay, and while we are doing addition of this, so on your screen 99 lakhs 9,999, and we are supposed to do the addition here of 1 lakh. So answer will be 9 9 9 and 9 and 9 and 9 plus 1 10. So like this. So the sum is 10,99,999. Okay, so like this we can do the addition. Okay, now we'll move for the next question here. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं, सुरेखा ताई bought a tractor for 8,07,957 and thresher for 32,609. How much money she expend together here? यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि सुरेखा ताई ने जो है तो ट्रैक्टर 8,07,957 रुपये का और जो थ्रेशर है वो 32,609 रुपीज़ का लिया। तो उन्होंने टोटल खर्च कितना किया ये हमें बताना है, ठीक है। तो क्या करेंगे हम इसके लिए, दोनों का भी एडिशन करेंगे, ठीक है। तो प्राइस ऑफ द ट्रैक्टर 8,07,957. thereafter the price of thresher is 32,609. Okay, so the total money spent here, we are supposed to do the addition here. So 7 plus 9 6 16. So 1 will be carry. 5 plus 1 6. 9 plus 6 15. 1 will be carry over. So यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि साथ में हम एक जमा किया 8 हुआ, 8 और 2 10, 10 का सिफर हासिल का हमने ऊपर 1 लिया तो यहाँ पर 4 हो जाएगा, 3 और 1 4, ठीक है। 8 का 8 लिखेंगे हम इस तरह से। तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर कि जो टोटल खर्च उसका हुआ है वो हुआ है 8,40,566 रुपये, ठीक है। तो वी आर सपोज टू राइट हियर द आंसर. सुरेखा था स्पेंट 8,40,566 rupees together. Okay, like this we can do the question. तो बच्चों इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इस तरह के मज़ीद वीडियो मिलेंगे आपको। तो इसके लिए आपको नीचे जो बेल आइकॉन है उसको दबाना है। You will you understand all the questions from this exercise. So hope it's